In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link subscriptions to pricing pages in LearnWorlds so you can get your online courses up and running with ease. If you're trying to figure out how to do this or just looking for a way to make your pricing pages more efficient, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a secret to unlocking an exclusive extended free trial and introducing you to some great alternatives that might be better for your needs. Let's dive straight into it. The first thing you want to do is head over to your LearnWorlds admin panel. Once you're logged in, go to the pricing section. This is where you'll manage your different pricing plans and subscriptions. The process of linking subscriptions to pricing pages is straightforward, but understanding how each plan is structured is key to making sure your users get the right access. Next, create a new pricing plan if you haven't already. You can add things like one-time payments, recurring payments, or free trials. In LearnWorlds, you have quite a bit of flexibility here, but you need to ensure that your pricing plans match your course offering. Keep in mind that LearnWorlds lets you create both manual and automatic subscriptions, and you'll want to set the right one for your business model. The third thing you should know is that LearnWorlds allows you to customize your pricing page. It's not just a generic template. You can really personalize it. Once you have your pricing plan set up, go to the Pages section in the menu. Here, you can adjust how your pricing page looks, add your plans, and make sure everything aligns with your branding. This gives you control over the user experience, which is essential for driving conversions. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind, after you've customized your pricing page, you'll want to connect those plans to your course. In LearnWorlds, it's as easy as going into your course settings and selecting the pricing plan you created. You simply assign the subscription or pricing model that fits the course and voila! Your customers will be able to access the course according to the pricing plan they choose. But here's a little tip. LearnWorlds offers flexible subscription options, but they're not always as intuitive as they should be. You might find the process a little clunky if you're trying to offer various subscription tiers, or if you want more advanced features like bundled offers or exclusive access. It's still very effective for a straightforward setup, but if you're looking for something more dynamic, this could be a bit limiting. The fifth thing you should know is about the user experience when they sign up. LearnWorlds provides a simple checkout experience, but you need to be sure that your pricing pages are clear and direct. Misleading information can cause confusion and hurt conversions. Take the time to preview your pricing page before going live. And finally, at the end of this tutorial, I want to talk about something important. While LearnWorlds is great for linking subscriptions to pricing pages, it's not the only solution out there. In fact, there are some powerful alternatives that do this even better, depending on your needs. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific provide more flexibility in terms of tiered pricing, advanced coupon features, and more integration options. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available for LearnWorlds. You'll also get access to exclusive benefits that only our viewers can enjoy. But if you're looking for something with more advanced features or a better user interface for managing subscriptions, I've listed a few amazing alternatives in the description, all with free trials too. So, check the link below to unlock those exclusive benefits, and thanks for watching. Happy course building!